Before we had kitchens, before we had cookware, we had the need to stir, flip, and serve food. The first cooking utensils were likely sticks used over open flames, followed by carved wooden spoons dating back over 5,000 years. In ancient Rome, bronze and silver were common. In China, bamboo took center stage. By the Middle Ages, blacksmith forged iron ladles and forks, and during the Industrial Revolution, mass-produced utensils flooded homes, including aluminum and plastic by the 20th century. But along with convenience came contamination. As modern materials evolved, so did our exposure to chemicals like BPA and PFAS, all found in common utensils today. Did you know the utensils you cook with every day could be leaching chemicals into your food? In this video, we're uncovering the truth about toxic utensils, and I'll show you the top 3 non-toxic options that are not only safer, but last longer too. You're watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, delete toxins, review recipes, products, and recalls. Thanks for watching. Let's make your kitchen healthier, starting right now. When we think about healthy cooking, we usually focus on organic produce or clean ingredients. But the tools we use, our spatulas, spoons, and tongs, can quietly undo all of that effort. If you're using utensils made from plastic, nylon, or low-grade silicone, you could be adding hormone-disrupting chemicals to your meals without even knowing it. Let's take a look at the healthiest, non-toxic cooking utensils available today, and the ones you need to toss out. Number 1, platinum-grade silicone. Silicone became popular in the 2000s, but not all silicone is safe. Stick to platinum-cured, food-grade silicone, like the GIR Ultimate Spatula. They're PBA-free, heat-resistant, and flexible enough to replace plastic entirely. To care for your platinum silicone, hand wash or place on the top rack of your dishwasher. Avoid open flames and store away from sharp objects. Number 2, hardwood utensils. Wood has stood the test of time, and for good reason. It's naturally antimicrobial, durable, and chemical-free. Look for utensils made of maple, olive wood, or teak. And to care for them, never soak wood utensils or run them through the dishwasher. Wash, dry immediately, and oil monthly with food-grade mineral oil or beeswax. Third, stainless steel. Modern stainless steel, especially 1810 grade, is sleek, strong, and non-reactive. It's great for high heat cooking and acidic foods. To care for stainless steel, it's dishwasher safe, but avoid metal scouring pads. Buff out discoloration with baking soda or vinegar paste. Following are the utensils to avoid and why they're toxic. Plastic and nylon. Most plastic utensils contain endocrine-disrupting chemicals like BPA, especially the black nylon tools. When exposed to heat, these chemicals can leach into your food, even if they're labeled PBA-free. Cheap silicone. If your silicone tool smells when heated or feels flimsy, it's probably full of fillers. Avoid bargain bin brands and stick to platinum-cured silicone with FDA or LFGB certifications. Avoid Teflon-coated utensils. Teflon coatings can break down and release PFAS, linked to cancer, thyroid issues, and immune system disruption. These forever chemicals don't belong in your kitchen or your body. From sticks and bronze to toxic plastics and beyond, our utensils have come a long way, but not all progress is healthy. When you choose stainless steel, hardwood, or high-grade silicone, you're not just upgrading your tools. You're protecting your food, your health, and your family. Drop a comment below and tell us what's your go-to utensil, and are you thinking of making the switch? I'd love to hear your kitchen goals. And if this video helped you out, give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a healthier kitchen. You've been watching The Healthy Skillet, the channel that creates healthy alternatives to save you money, delete toxins, review recipes, products, and recalls. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.